again. What's up, guys? Welcome to another Rebels Capital, aka Connectivity with Success. Yes, today's the 9th of June 2026, where we run through what's happening in the stock market just to make it simple for people to understand. Yeah, man. Today is another day where we run through what's going on in the stock market as usual. If you like the video, man, please don't be afraid to please click like, subscribe. Yes, no, maybe so. Let's fucking go. So, yeah, man, as I was saying before, I'm still trying to find out, in terms of the guys who made money off the stock market on Friday. I'm trying to find them, bro. Who are they? How did they know there was a bomb that Israel was gonna strike a bomb at Iran? How did they know that one, bro? They made so much money off that shit. That was like $100 million trade in one fucking day. That was literally the most beautiful trade I've ever seen. And we will find them at some point because they still have to withdraw money. So yeah, man, we'll find out who was there exactly. But yeah, man, today is another day. Today's the 9th of June 2026. As you can see today, it's still like a little bloodbath today. The indexes are down out of the blue. Yeah, man. So what happened? What's actually going on is there's still a thing of the chip sell-off that was triggered on Friday. It's still continuing till today. Treasuries are still going higher today, and then the VIX, which is the fear index. So this is how you can tell if there's some sort of fear happening. As you can see here, the VIX is now playing at $22.17. Yeah, man. As you can see, it's quite bad. It's quite bad. The fact that it passed 20 and then it's going to 30, it's an indication that people are selling the shit out their stock or taking profit either way. Yeah, man. The stock market did actually open up positive today. Now we negative for some odd reason. Yeah, man. As you can see here, what you call these? It's still that player after Iran has stated that it ended its military operations in Israel following the strike over the weekend, and Donald Trump signaled a optimism of a potential deal, easing the concerns that escalation would break an ongoing negotiation. So it seems like between the two, Iran, US, and Israel, no one gives a fuck about the United States anymore. Like, they don't care, bro. At this point, it's officially said, done and dusted. These guys, it's like one of those things. It's like, dude, I can run my own country. Why do I need this guy to tell me what to do at this point? But yeah, man, some sort of peace happening. It's only happening on the news to calm down the markets, but that's not working out so much. But at least we still see some sort of like positivity in the stock market. It's down, but it's not that down today. Yeah, man. So far, if we go to the biggest winners and the biggest losers, we had this company called Luvent, if I'm mispronouncing it. Yeah, let's go into the biggest winners actually. Luvent Inc. This is the one that moved. It moved beautifully. But I'm not sure quite now. I'm not quite sure now. But yeah, here we go. Beautiful. Look at this shit. Look at this shit. This thing went from 89, $87 to 130, 132. Yeah, man, that was the biggest win today in the stock market. And then the next one we had was a company called Vico Instruments. Here we go. Vico Instruments. That was another big move today. Yeah, man. So as you can see, that one is up a lot, dude. It's up 34%, close to 50, close to 40% in one day. In one day, and then here, man, gets the other stock here, it's up to 3%. Its current price is now sitting at $63. And then we still had another one called Axel Technologies. It also went higher when the markets opened. Shit. Okay, here we go. Yeah. So this is an Italian company. Specifically, not sure what they do to be specific. But yeah, man. This one went higher today as well. You can see it's up by 3%. Current price sitting at 160. It was up by 13%. And then another one, Wall Street favorite, Marvel Technologies. It also went higher today. Marvel Technologies. Same old play of that chip AI thing play still happening. So yeah, man, that's the company, one of the companies that went higher today by 13%. Today, now it's down. Jesus Christ. Yeah, man, that's the company just when the stock market just opened. And another one that went higher was Micron Technologies as well. Yeah, man, they used to specialize in making computers, and now they moved on to chips. So yeah, man, that went higher today by a couple of percentages. To be exactly, it was 7% actually. So now it's down by 7%. This is weird, dude. And then another one that went higher was Nvidia. Nvidia, Nvidia, Nvidia. The corporation was also up by 2%. But I'm sure now it's down because of the VIX. So yeah, man. So that's what's happening today. Just a few confusions, bro. No one knows what to buy. Now it's down by 3%. Strange things. And then the biggest losers today was Salesforce, Disney, Microsoft, Apple, and Qualcomm. Right? Those were the biggest losers today. So Salesforce, Disney, Microsoft, Apple, and Qualcomm. Those were the biggest losers. And then moving on to other factors like your earnings report, right? Earnings report is what the company has to report out every 4 months as usual. So today we have most important one, which is Oracle. Oracle, Oracle is the one that has they're in Formula One. They specialize in cloud and also cybersecurity. But yeah, man, now they own a couple of data in terms of TikTok. So if you want to buy TikTok indirectly, you're gonna buy Oracle. So, man, here we go. We're gonna expect earnings report today. No. Oracle. So yeah, man, that's what we're expecting today. Oracle, and then the next one is Palo Alto Networks, which is a cybersecurity company. So basically today is like cybersecurity companies that are reporting earnings. Just a quick shot. So yeah, Oracle, Palo Alto, and then we have your CrowdStrike, and as well as Broadcom. But Broadcom is gonna happen between Tuesday and Thursday. No, not Tuesday. I mean Thursday and Friday. And then moving on to economic numbers, we're expecting CPI inflation, and then we're expecting Fed rate cut, and as well as jobs numbers. That's what we're expecting this week. And then moving on to other factors, it's IPO. IPO, we still expecting one of the biggest IPO, which is Mr. Elon Musk, SpaceX, SpaceX. So yeah, man, people are expecting that one. It's not public yet. What the fuck am I looking for? Yeah, man, they're not public yet. So yeah, man, Friday is the day of one of the biggest IPOs to ever come out in the stock market. So now it's gonna value at $1 billion, and now we're gonna see that happening very soon at the Tether one. So that's what we. So that's what we're expecting. So that's what we're expecting very soon. The Tesla IPO. Everyone is waiting, bro. One of the biggest things that will come about. When it comes to $1.2 billion because of the company failed to. It lowered it. Right? It went from two trillion dollars to 1.8 trillion because of they could not launch a rocket. When was it? Last month actually. Yeah, man, they had like a launch that was happening, but it failed on that day, so that devalued the value of the actual stock price because of like, yeah, man, it's like Amazon. It's like what you call these. It's like NASA not being able to go to the moon. You understand? And that's their job. That's their job on a daily basis. What the fuck are they doing? But anyway, that's how investors took it. And then moving on to other factors today was companies that are going and are being right. So there were AI cybersecurity companies, AI cybersecurity and healthcare companies that are being bought, right? So basically, like company, a small company bought by one. So that's what's happening today with that. It's this company here. I'm not sure how to pronounce it. It's a Dutch company. I don't want to be tackled. Yeah, man, I don't want to be jumped on for misspelling this company. But yeah, man, this one is making a merge with a company called Tate and Lay for $3.6 billion. This happened actually yesterday. Yeah, man, that's what they are doing lately. And then another company here called Telecom, COS. I think it's also a German company, if I'm not mistaken. Telecom. So yeah, man, this company right here. Um, so are also they also did a deal as well on the 6th of June actually with SFR for $23.5 billion. So yeah, man, as you can see, this one the stock is up, is healthy. Yeah, man, it's up by 2%. $18. So every time the company automatically goes up unless they do a very unhealthy merge and the world doesn't see it as a good for the company or it doesn't see any growth. So yeah, man, that's what's happening there with those guys. And then we have a company called Ready Support, and this one here, I can also pronounce this one. Let me see here. Give me a second. I'm not sure if they actually public. Let's see if Ready Support. Yeah, man, Ready Support and that company are making a deal as well today. But it's like it's a more of like a private thing happening. And then another one was Patient Care EMS. Let's open that one. Patient Care EMS. They're also making a deal today with Superior Mobile. So also been finalized today. They still have to disclose the amounts actually as yet. It seems like it's a private deal happening. So yeah, man, those two companies having a private deal right there for some weird odd reason. And then moving on to buying. Let's open it there as well. Insider buying and selling. Let me see. Insider buying and selling. Somewhere here. Uh, where did I open this again? Yeah, man. Instead of buying and selling, what the fuck is this? Splits, dividend, no, no, no. Okay, I kind of lost it now. Instead of buying, we saw a company called Blend Labs. Blend Labs. They also got the CEO was buying. The CEO was buying a lot of stocks for this company today, but yet it's still down. Funny enough, that's strange. That is very weird. Normally, when a company management, like the CEO or the CFO, is buying stock into their company, he or she sees positivity into the company, so that normally drives up the prices, as well as like a couple of investors also follow. But today with this one Blend Labs, no one cared a fuck about it, but no one actually cared. So yeah, man, the director, Brian Sith, was buying stocks worth actually $421 today. Yeah, man, didn't even move the stock a bit. And then another company called Lion Holdings. If I can find it here, Lion Hot Holdings. Yeah, man, they are very popular in the travel entertainment, in the travel industry. Actually, they are the owner for Bulgaria Holdings, right? Bulgaria Holdings is a company that has fucking ridiculous prices on Booking.com. If you don't know what that looks like, let me just show you, bro. They own like hotels and hotels. So yeah, man, we saw that today. So we saw that today. We saw the Lion Fund. The CEO was buying $600,000 worth of shares, right? So yeah, man. Let me just show you what the hotel prices are fucking crazy, bro. If I can just show you here. There we go. Yeah, man, they make ridiculous prices. So they make all their hotels look like a Versace store, bro. And they all like $1,000 per night. Yeah, man, that's one of those companies. And we have another company called White House Finance. White House Finance. Here we go. Let me see if I can find those ones. WHT White House Finance. There we go. Yeah. So they're like a loans company basically. This one is down. Damn, bro, 3%. Shit. Anyway, so the director bought close to 100,000 worth of shares. He's the director for White Horse. He tried to put the stock higher, but it seems that no one gives a fuck at this point. It's down percent for the day. Look at this shit. It's drowning. Yeah, man, it didn't make any change. So that was like more or less like a waste. But yeah, man, you'll see it over time. And the CEO, and moving on to CEOs and management, insider trading, insider selling, is a company called MP Materials. Yeah, man, MP Materials, we saw the CEO. He sold $180 worth of shares, 185 to be precise. Today it's down by 7%. Means that he doesn't see any positivity into the company anytime soon. So yeah, man. So yeah, man, this thing is down badly. For the last 3 months, it's down 11%. Maybe it's trying to raise cash or something like that. And then moving on to another company called God Health. God Health, we saw the CEO as well. He was selling his shares. Garden Health. He was also selling the shit off the stock. He sold $9.2 thousand worth of shares. Today it's down by 1%. So normally that's what happens. Normally you see a reversal in the stock prices when the CEO is selling his share into the company. Yeah, man, stock will plunge. There's no tomorrow. But yeah, man, that was it in terms of insider buying and selling. And then moving on to other factors like your commodity, something you can see, smell, and touch. So here, going down even further, everything is like almost down, dude. But yeah, man. So metals, if we look at the metals, right? Um, your copper is down, silver, gold, palladium. Almost everything is down except for natural gas. And yeah, natural gas is up actually. Just natural gas, US cocoa, and US wheat, US corn. Yeah, that's it. Those three. US natural gas, so it's natural gas, US corn, US wheat, and US cocoa. That's the only three things that are up today on the commodities. Oil is down. So what do you invest in now? Oil is down, the stock market is down. Where do you go? Yeah, that's the $1 million question every investor and every trader asks themselves every time they have these type of bad days. And then moving on today, if we look at the dollar as well, currencies are also down. The US dollar is up just by 0.01%. So the biggest winner today in performance, so we can say the British pound to the Japanese yen. Let me show you here. The British pound to the Japanese yen, the euro to the Japanese yen, British pound to the US dollar, the US dollar to the Japanese yen, the US dollar to the Canadian dollar, the New Zealand dollar to the US dollar, and the US dollar to the Swiss franc. So those are the, let's see, 7 currencies that are up today. Yeah, man, the dollar's down, but I think it's gonna close on up stage. But today, yeah, man, it's a it's a hideous day today. So everywhere you go, you're catching smoke. So if you trade currencies, you catch smoke. So yeah, man, I'm gonna move on to bonds, the bond market. So the bond market, as you can see here, it's also down as well. Everyone is catching smoke, bro. From the stock market to commodities to bonds, everything is down. So here we can see the bonds is down, the 30 year hasn't changed that much. The 10 year is down, 5 years down, 2 years down. So yeah, man, nothing has changed there. So everyone is catching smoke today. Everyone is just catching L's after L's after L. It seems like there's a reversal happening, but yeah, man, we'll see. We'll see what happens as time goes by. And then there's nothing interesting to talk about there. And then cryptocurrencies, as well. They should be down, but I'm sure they might be up. But they should be down in relation to the stock market because they normally copy the stock market these days. Yeah, but that's what's happening now. So if you look here, your the same thing, bro. Like everyone is catching smoke today. As you can see here, the cryptos are down, dude, badly. So yeah, man, Bitcoin is also down. They saw a 3.4 billion leaving the what you call this Bitcoin. The outflows, the largest outflow would be, of course, is BlackRock. Then you saw Fidelity was also withdrawing 400 million. Grayscalers was withdrawing 300 million. Ether saw 241 million withdrawals in the last week, actually. So yeah, man, everyone is catching smoke. So the only thing that is up is SpaceX and what you call this? SpaceX and Hyperliquid. So yeah, man, SpaceX here it is, man. The Elon Musk, because everyone is anticipating the IPO for this Friday. So yeah, man, everyone is waiting for that one. So it's currently sitting at 700, dude, $700. Jesus, wow, wow. So they're basically using cryptocurrencies just to see and just to get a feel of the actual what you call this trading. So overall, man, everything is bad. Everyone is bleeding today. Overall, everyone is bleeding. Everyone is down bad today. And then there was a report today that showed that what retail investors are buying and selling. So what we saw was the most bought was Nvidia, Nubis. Nubis is that AI European company. Marvel Technologies, Micron, the one we just went through. People are still waiting for the SpaceX on Friday. Tesla is still the most bought, which came in at number 6. Number 7, it was Palantir, the AI software that it gets you killed. It gets every terrorist in the world. Wherever you are, they know where you sleep, they know where you eat. But yeah, that's what's happening there. And then the other thing was Amazon. That was another one most held on Robinhood as well. And then yeah, man, that was about it. Those are the 8 most bought stocks in the world by retail investors. Retail investors that me and you, anyone around the world with a couple of dollars to buy a stock, they can buy that. But that was about it for today. It's a bad day to trade to invest. If you like the video, man, please click like, subscribe. Yes, no, maybe so. Let's go. Let's go.